days are doing well, and I need the people of Iran to receive and get all the different types of support and services by the different agencies in the country. This is quite important, and these services must be offered to the people in order to continue the path of resistance and the path that will lead us to defeat the enemy. Regarding the fighters, I'd like to thank the brave fighters who are doing a great job at a time where our country is under pressure and under attacks. Our great forces have severely attacked the enemies and have prevented the enemies from dominating our country or from dividing our country. The Iranian people want you to continue your defense of the country, and to do this in order for the enemies to regret what have they done and what they have done. And when it comes to the Strait of Hormuz and other fronts, the enemies have no experience that is enough to affect us. We will continue our efforts, and we will keep these places as they are, and we will enforce the good people in the internal resistance, and we know that they are doing a good job. The